Hello guys, I want to teach you two ways you can take a screenshot of your screen. And the first step is you click on your stats here and search for SNI. And the first one on the top is Snipping Tool. You click on it. You click new, then you highlight the area you want to take the screenshot of. I'm doing this on my desktop screen. Then you click on the save button, give it a name of your choice, snap, then you choose the area you want to save it. I'm picking the desktop. That's it. And for the second one, which is very short, you hold the Windows key and click on print screen. Done. This was the first one. I made a screenshot of this snap here, this on the desktop. But as for the second one, you can only find it under pictures, screenshots. Hope this saved the day. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.